My name's Taseer, and I'm an architect and gelato maker. I am a UK finalist. This is my champion flavor from the Hamburg Gelato Festival. This flavor was conceived on the Ponte Vecchio with the fantastic amarena cherry. Born in London with the sweet English cherry and raised in Hamburg by adding the sour kirsch. The blend of harmonious flavors reflects my multicultural heritage, where the design of my gelateria presents a sensory journey in flavors as perfectly balanced as Leonardo's Vitruvian Man. The wild cherry sorbetto is covered with a tarragon kirsch mousse, enrobed in dark chocolate and amarena glaze. It's offered up on a chocolate mondial. Il concepimento vitruviano torna a casa. Enjoy. Cherry.